Hey, good day my friends. Welcome back to my video channel, Life of Chuck. And if you're new to my channel, I also welcome you here. If you haven't already subscribed, if you're a new watcher, you should do so now. It doesn't cost you absolutely nothing except for minutes of your day or minutes of your life. So, as you can see, we're in the beautiful city of Vancouver. For all of you who commented on my last video, the one where I was ranting, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I was quite surprised and overwhelmed by the amount of comments I got. So yeah, that's why I say you guys are awesome. And actually what I'm uploading today, I videotaped back in the middle of July. So that's what I'm gonna show you. So let's just cut to the chase and skip right to that video. We have a little old muscle stang, 65, 66, 65 I think. Actually not too bad of a clean car. We're down here in the old section of, I guess this is Vancouver. I don't even know. And the worst thing about downtown here, or I guess this isn't downtown, sorry, outside, is parking. Parking is always except with a permit. You'll find that a lot of places here. 2 hours in the daytime unless you have a permit. So you have a time limit on when you can park in some areas. Oh shit. See, here we go. Accept permit again. So you find this a lot. Wow, that's nice. I like it. This too. So you find that a lot down here in just outside of Vancouver. Parking is very freaking difficult. Especially if you want to park on side streets. A lot of it is overnight, you have to have a permit. And to buy a permit, it's extra per year. So, and you have to live in that area and have an address in that area. And a little bit more of my random Vancouver city blogging, and I don't know if this is a hobbit house or a house for midgets. I guess this is a community garden is what it is, but kind of cute little tool section they have, or maybe somebody bought this and converted it to a garden, but I'm guessing more community garden right at the edge of the SkyTrain. Look at that. Okay, boys and girls, number 1. Number 2, right behind number 1. Number 3, right beside number 1. Number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 10. 11. Okay, so what's the point of this video? Why am I counting and showing you all the motorhomes and RVs? This spot, when I came here to Vancouver 3 years ago, there was only me in this area, light industrial / business area. I was the only one. One night I had one person join me in the couple weeks that I was here. Now, always, there's a constant flow of units in here camping out at night, and I've counted upwards of 15 in my nights here, or days, because I stay here in the day. I never camp here at night because when I work, I'm at work, I park in that parking lot, and then on my days off I go to Korean girls area. So anyways, I have more. The only drawback on this area, it's freaking noisy. These guys are running till 1 o'clock in the morning, and then they wake you up at 6. So, not the ideal spot. So, but however, I can get internet from that area, so I can hook into free Wi-Fi in that one little corner that I'm in. And usually nobody parks in there and steals my spot, strangely. So I guess they haven't figured it out yet. If you go anywhere else around that area, you can't get it. But that's a perfect Wi-Fi spot. So there you have it. My point here is, as I said, in the past 3 years that I've been in Vancouver, there has been a huge population explosion in van life, in RV life here. And I guess maybe that's why it could possibly have the nickname Van City. No, just kidding. They just shorten it and say Van City. But you know what? It also brings up some concerns is, when is this going to become too much? And when are we going to get a lot of complaints about this happening? When and will this become a concern with the city and they start ticketing and towing? At times they have threatened here and then, but because of the housing crisis, they kind of put a little bit of a slowdown on ticketing and moving these vehicles, even though I have gotten one warning in this area. In cities such as Squamish is not allowing this anymore. They will be ticketing and towing. A lot of residents have complained, but some are also lenient and they say, you know what, yeah, there is a lack of housing and they do need somewhere to stay. Yes, it can become a concern to the residents, because you know what? Some people are throwing their garbage away. Some people are storing crap all the way around their vehicles. Some people are storing crap all the way around their vehicles. That's just not a good thing to do. Keep it clean, people, as I always say. Make it look reasonable. And look at all these groups of 15 to 20 RVs and van lifers. They look ugly. Even to me, they look ugly. So you know what? Move around a lot. Holy crap. I don't know how these guys get away with it. And August 2019, wow, this guy's tags are expired. So, yeah, no licensing. I don't know how this dude gets away with it without being towed away. Anyways, my friends, I got a little bit more to talk about on the population explosion of van life and RV life. Not only here in Vancouver, but the population explosion of van life on YouTube. And I got some video and stuff on that. So if you come back next time, next video, one of these videos, maybe 2 videos from now, I think, we'll show you some of that. So until that time, remember, as I always say, guys, stay awesome, and be kind. And until those next videos, cheers, have a great day. Time for me to clean up, have a coffee, and get ready for work.